Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. This is a time for you, a signal for you to join my next big move, and that is joining the Platinum membership. And of course, this will help you take your game to the next level. If you're waiting to make profit in crypto, if you're waiting to be early into alpha, well, this is the one that you should join. So in this video, I will take you through Platinum membership, the plans I have for you, and of course, by joining with a minimum fee, you can actually make money from day one of this membership program. So what it is and how you can make it, let's dive in. Let's talk about Platinum membership, and make sure if you're someone who's new here and new to this channel, please subscribe to my channel, press the bell icon, and do check out the membership. The details are below, and click the join button if you haven't done already. So let's dive in. So first of all, what this channel is about. This channel is about cryptocurrencies and crypto trading. What we do here, we trade crypto, we share alphas, and then we make money. Now, what if I tell you, if there's a place for you to make money faster, get the information faster by being on the private Telegram group? Yes. And not only that, you will also have opportunity to start learning trading from beginner to a pro level and start making money by using my trading signals. I have seen my members make money, and I want you to make money by joining the membership. So the benefit it offers are as follows. So the most important benefit of this is trading masterclass course. So you'll have the full access of the trading masterclass course. Second is joining up exclusive and private Platinum Telegram group, where I will share the setups, the daily setups that can make you money. The third one, and of course the very special one, is the customer support, which is crypto related. If you're someone who's facing issues in swap and transaction, or your transaction stuck and you don't know how to do that, I will help you out by doing a call or weekly 15 minutes that is fixed for Platinum members only. And finally, we will have members only video exclusive to those who are joining my program. So you can receive all the benefits by clicking the link below, and of course clicking the join button, and you get started. And guess what, if you're someone who's unable to join through YouTube, I have a special link. You can click on it and pay via PayPal or via stablecoin in cryptocurrencies. Yes, being a crypto channel, I accept cryptocurrencies. You can make the payment and we can get started in the right direction. So why wait more? Just click on the link below and join it, and let's get started making money with crypto. And lastly, I want to tell you, if you join it, make sure to drop me a hello on my Telegram or maybe on my Platinum group once you get the link after you join it, and make sure to interact with me so that I can take you through step by step how to go ahead and make money with crypto. So let's dive in, let's join it, and let's start the journey together. Thank you.